Create a 5-minute YouTube video titled Top 5 Free AI Tools That Will Save You Hours in 2026. Use a professional male US voice, modern tech visuals, subtitles, smooth transitions, and engaging background music. Include a strong hook and call to subscribe to AI is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. You can use it to write emails, create content, summarize documents, generate ideas, learn new skills, and even help with coding. Instead of spending hours researching or writing, ChatGPT can give you a strong starting point within seconds. Whether you're working, studying, or running a business, this tool can dramatically improve Canva AI. Canva has evolved far beyond graphic design. Its AI-powered features allow you to create presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, logos, and marketing materials in just a few clicks. You simply describe what you want, and Canva generates professional designs instantly. This is perfect for content creators, students, and entrepreneurs who want high-quality visuals without spending hours. Is Perplexity AI. Think of Perplexity as an AI-powered search engine. Instead of searching through multiple websites, it provides direct answers along with source references. This makes research faster, easier, and more reliable. Students, researchers, and professionals can use Perplexity to gather information and learn about complex topics in a fraction of time. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs allows you to generate realistic human-like voiceovers using AI. Many successful faceless YouTube channels rely on ElevenLabs for narration. Simply type your script, select a voice, and the platform generates professional quality audio within minutes. It's a fantastic tool for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to create engaging Number 5, we have Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your work, summarize notes, generate content,